Disguise can often be an agent's greatest weapon. Working for the SSR, I often felt invisible.
Wait, who are you? Are you supposed to be my backup? You'll stand out like a sore thumb dressed like that. Help me follow this suspicious-looking character. Careful now. You know, sometimes the most dangerous work can essentially be summed up.
You got me. I'm not a full-time cat burglar. And I probably don't... My associate likes to keep a certain mystery about him. They say he pretty much runs this neighborhood. So keep your wits about you.